Tired of payroll headaches? Let's get your Gusto account activated for payments so you can experience seamless and stress-free payroll processing. First, logged into your Gusto account, you'll likely see a list of tasks on your dashboard that need attention. Look for anything related to bank account verification or payment activation. Click on whichever task is displayed. You'll now need to verify your bank account. Carefully enter your bank's routing number and your business account number. Double-check these numbers. Why your accuracy is crucial to avoid payment delays. Gusto will then send small micro deposits to your bank account. This can take 13 business days. Once you see these deposits in your bank statement, return to Gusto and enter the exact amounts of those deposits to confirm your account. Next, you'll need to confirm your legal business name and address within Gusto. Make sure the information matches exactly what's on file with the IRS. After confirming your business details, review your payroll settings. This includes things like your pay schedule, pay types, and any deductions you offer. Ensure these settings accurately reflect your company's policies. Once you've completed all the steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your account is now activated for payments. You're now ready to run payroll seamlessly with Gusto. Congratulations! You've successfully activated your Gusto account for payments. You can now process payroll and pay your employees with ease.